everyone, it's Vanessa Rojas again with another mouth-watering recipe. Today I'm making a very popular Mexican seafood appetizer, aguachiles, which I highly recommend. If you want to know how I make mine, just keep watching. Okay, so here I'm using jumbo-sized raw shrimp. You can use any size you like. I got this bag at Walmart because I don't have a fish market nearby. And they do come frozen, so just place your shrimp in a large bowl with cold water. For this particular recipe, I'm gonna request that you use a red onion. I always use a red onion. They taste amazing with this dish and it looks very pretty when you put it all on top of the tostada and everything. But I heard that the white onion works just the same. I'm also gonna use 2 Burpless cucumbers, slicing them like you would for a salad. Burpless cucumbers are less bitter, they have less seeds, and they don't have a bumpy skin. You can also use the other ones too, but I suggest you use these. And yeah, let's just keep cooking. So now I'm taking out all the water from the shrimp. It still has a little bit of ice in there, but it's fine. I can feel that my shrimp is nice and tender, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the sink. This is gonna be the hardest thing you do for this recipe. Just stand here, peel them, cut them, and clean them. You know, it's actually not hard, it's just time consuming. But at least I have the comfort of eating a clean and freshly made tostada here at home. And now I'm gonna slightly cut through them, not all the way, with a sharp knife. You're gonna create like this O type of shape, just so that it's easier for you to take out this black string in there. I don't know if it's poop or the vein. The bag said it's deveined, but it still has the little black stuff in there. I'm gonna cut this little end of the tail open so you can see that they don't do a good job. I always do it like this. I always leave my shrimp super clean. I hate it when I'm eating a tostada and I can see all the black stuff. Okay, so now I have them all nicely cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the glass container that I'm going to use. I suggest you use a flat one. It's nicer when it's flat because when it's a deep one, you kind of have to use a lot of juice. I'm going to pour salt in it. I use more or less 2 tablespoons, but really shrimp takes a lot of salt, so do it to your own taste. and take it to the fridge and refrigerate it for half an hour to an hour, depending on how cooked you liked your shrimp. I like my shrimp halfway cooked, so I only wait 30 minutes. Carefully use the same lime juice, put as much as you can into your blender, wash 3 to 5 chiles serranos, and blend it with a little bit of cilantro. Combine the ingredients and very gently move it around to cover everything with this lip-smacking, spicy and addicting juice. Here I am just decorating for my thumbnail, but you can always skip this part. What you can do is chop up your cucumbers in like little squares or little halves of the circle and mix it all in there. That's what a lot of restaurants do. I'm just doing it like this so it can look nice and pretty. I recommend you try this mayo I'm using, but you can use any of your choice. This one has a hint of lime in it. That's why I like it, specifically with this recipe. I just spread a good amount of mayo on one side. If you hate mayo, I don't want to ruin your chances of trying this, so just skip this part. You can try the tostada and the shrimp alone. It tastes great. Please modify the dish to your very own. For example, my onion is thick cut because I love a nice crunch. You can have no onion or thin cut onions if you like. And now hook up the tostada with shrimp slices of avocado, cucumber on the side, and extra juice on top. Tell me this doesn't look appealing. Well, that is it, guys. It is easy. It's great for the summer. There's no heat involved. It's scrumptious. And if you want to join me and recreate my recipes, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button below and the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. I'm having my mom try it on camera just so you can see how good and mouth-watering this recipe really is. If you really like this video, give me a thumbs up so I can keep posting videos like this. I'll see you on my next one.